How to increase your credit limit on Truist cards. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want a higher credit limit on your Truist card, well here is how you can do it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in, you simply have to click on credit card section and once you do that, on the next page, you simply have to select the card that you want to increase the limit on. And there you can just click on manage card or credit limit and choose request credit limit increase. And after that, you need to provide your current income, employment info, and housing payment if requested. And with that, you can also check the information for accuracy. And once you're done with it, you just need to click submit to send your request. And once you do that, you have to wait for approval and Twist may give an instant decision or take a few business days to review. And once they are done with that, you'll get notification via email or in your online account. And that's it. A higher limit could give you more flexibility and improve your credit utilization. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.